Welcome to the University of New Haven Library. Today we're going to search for an experimental study using the PsycINFO database. First, go to the University of New Haven homepage and then select the library link at the top of the page. Once you're at the library website, click on the Databases link on the left side of the page to access the UNH databases. In the middle of the screen, click on the link to log in to the UNH server. Here you would enter your UNH username and password when prompted. Once you've entered your login information, scroll down through the alphabetical list of databases until you get to PsycINFO. Click on the link for PsycINFO to access this database. Here's a look at the main search screen for PsycINFO. We want to use the advanced search screen to limit our results and access experimental studies using this database. Click on the link for advanced search. Here is where we can start to limit some of our results to scan through experimental studies in this database. First, uncheck the link for suggest subject terms at the top of the page. Then under the Limit Your Results banner, we can select the following. Click on the checkbox for linked full text and peer-reviewed. Scroll down to publication type and select peer-reviewed journal. In publication year, you may want to limit your results to the most recent studies. In this case, we're going to look for studies from the last 5 years. So enter 2006 to 2011. Scroll down further till you get to population group and make sure the human is selected. And then under methodology underneath that, click on empirical study. Once you have all of these limiters selected, click on the search box at the bottom of the page. This initial search may give you thousands of results, so you may wish to narrow your results even further. You notice our first search gives us over 80,000 results. What we can do first is click on the relevant sort link near the top of the page and select date descending. This will help you to sort through the initial search results by giving you the most recent results at the top of the page. You can see the first result listed here is winter 2011. Take a look at the left side of the page as you scroll down for other ways to narrow your results. For example, you will see arrows next to limiters such as age, subject major heading, gender, subject, publication, and publication type. Click on the arrows to view the limits that will narrow down your search. For example, if we click on the arrow next to age, we see we can limit by different age groups. In this example, we're going to click on the checkbox for young adulthood, 18 to 29 years, and then click on the update button. You can see that this limit has narrowed our results by almost 2/3 down to 27,000. And again, you can scroll through the results and notice that date descending is still selected, so you can look through the most recent results first. That's a basic example of how to do a search for an experimental study. You can also scroll back to the top of the screen and enter in search terms that you or your professor has suggested to go through the experimental studies to find a subject that's relevant for your research. Remember, the librarians here at UNH are here to help. If you need any additional help with your search, you can reach us by phone at 203-932-7189, or you can email us at libraryhelp@newhaven.edu. Thank you and good luck with your search.